Every right you enjoy today exists because the Constitution protects it. Saving the Constitution isn't politics. It's protecting your future. The Constitution survives only when ordinary people choose to defend its values. If citizens don't protect the Constitution, no one else can do it for them. The Constitution belongs to every Indian, and so does the responsibility to uphold it. The day citizens stop caring about the Constitution is the day democracy becomes more fragile. Your freedom tomorrow depends on how seriously you take the Constitution today. When constitutional values weaken, everyone has something to lose. The Constitution doesn't ask who you voted for. It protects every Indian equally. A strong Constitution begins with responsible citizens. Protecting the Constitution means protecting your own rights, your family's future, and India's democracy. Don't wait for a crisis to value the Constitution. Strengthen it through your actions today. The Constitution is India's strongest promise to every citizen. Keep that promise alive. Every citizen counts because every citizen helps shape the future of the Constitution. The Constitution is only as strong as the people who choose to uphold it. Why saving the Constitution of India is essential. 1. It protects every person's rights. Without constitutional protections, fundamental rights such as equality before the law, freedom of speech, freedom of religion, and protection of life and personal liberty become more vulnerable. 2. It limits the misuse of power. The Constitution creates checks and balances so that no single institution or individual has unlimited authority. 3. It guarantees equality. Regardless of age, gender, caste, religion, language, income, education, disability, or where someone lives, the Constitution provides a common legal framework that applies to everyone. 4. It protects minorities and majorities alike. Constitutional rights are designed to safeguard all citizens. Different groups may benefit from different protections at different times, but the framework exists for everyone. 5. It enables peaceful change. Instead of resolving disagreements through violence or force, democratic institutions provide lawful ways to debate, vote, petition, and seek justice. 6. It creates trust. People invest, build businesses, pursue education, and plan for the future when they have confidence that laws will be applied fairly. 7. It binds a diverse nation together. India is home to many languages, cultures, religions, and traditions. The Constitution provides shared rules that help people with different backgrounds live together under one legal system. 8. It protects future generations. The choices citizens make today shape the institutions and freedoms available to those who come after them. Why every individual matters. The Constitution belongs to every citizen. Whether someone is rich or poor, educated or not, young or old, urban or rural, from any caste or religion, supportive of any political party. They rely on constitutional protections in everyday life, from access to justice and public services to the ability to express views, own property where permitted by law, work, study, and participate in elections. Why it matters now. Constitutional values are strengthened through everyday actions. Waiting until institutions face serious strain can make it harder to address problems. Acting now means staying informed, participating peacefully, voting responsibly, respecting the rule of law, challenging misinformation, supporting accountable institutions. These habits help preserve democratic norms over time. Why one person's actions matter. One citizen alone cannot determine the future of a country, but millions of individual choices collectively shape society. When many people stop verifying information, stop voting, ignore corruption, tolerate discrimination, or disengage from civic life, the overall health of democratic institutions can weaken. Conversely, when many people choose to participate constructively, those institutions become more resilient. The Constitution is not protected only by courts, governments, or parliament. It is protected every day by citizens who choose truth over misinformation, law over lawlessness, dialogue over hatred, and participation over silence. Every responsible action strengthens democracy. Every indifferent action leaves it more vulnerable. The future of India's constitutional values depends on what each of us does today, not because one person alone determines the outcome, but because millions of individual choices, taken together, shape the nation we leave to future generations.